their voices come to life.
Though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil. Your mercy will follow me. Though I walk through the darkest valley, your grace and mercy shall follow me. Go So I make this vow to follow Christ all the days of my life. I make this vow to follow Christ all the days of my life. To follow Christ all the days of my life. I make this promise. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you. I make this vow. I promise myself that I'm gonna follow you and only you all the days. I make this vow that I'm gonna follow you all the days of my life. I make this vow to follow you all the days of my life. I make this vow to follow, no turning back. I'm never gonna go back. When I see what the Lord has done, when I look back over my life, I will never go back. I will never go back. When I look over my life, when I see what the Lord has done, there's no going back for me. There's no going back for me. There's no turning back for me. I choose you. I choose you, God. I choose you, God. All the days I'm safe, yeah. Under the shadow of your wing, I'm safe, yeah. I'm safe, yeah. I choose you, God. I'm gonna follow you.